Alright, so I got a robot vacuum. What we're going to do is we're going to see how well it plays with 52 pickups. So if you remember how the game goes, someone takes out the car, splashes it over the floor, and it's whoever picks up the most. But in this case, since we have a robot vacuum, we're going to let it try it out. See how well it goes. Alright, let's get this card off. Alright, I should find some scissors, make this easier for me. In the meantime, we're also going to set up a virtual wall as well. So we don't want to go everywhere, but we want to confine it to a certain location so we can test how good it is in that certain area. Alright, so if I get this card open, let's get that strip off. Alright, let's hope this works out. Alright. So right now we're gonna set up the virtual wall. It's on switch in the back. And this is gonna be the location where I can find it to. So we're gonna set it right here, saying that I can never go past this virtual line. Alright, so mine came with a remote. I'm gonna try this out. Alright. Yes, we want it to vacuum. Alright. Let's make sure. Alright, so let's test how this goes. Oh, fell on my part. You gotta make it go past the virtual wall first. Alright, let's make it self-control. Alright, let's let it try on its own. I'm gonna take the light off so you actually see it get closer. Alright, we're gonna stop it for now to see if it actually did anything. Alright. So let's see if it can actually go through. Yep. Yep, ideally it can go through the whole way. Let's see if it works without this. Alright, let's try this again. so thanks is having jam. Let's see. Nope. I guess this is one of those things you can't do with a robot vacuum. Alright. And it went through your virtual wall. Well, it's one of those things I just feel really disappointed. Alright, so let's try a little different. Let's try stacking it all up. Let's see if it could run through. Alright, let's give it a little bit. And still nothing. So we know it could go past, but it just won't pick it up. Oh, I guess the only thing it does is just clean floors and nothing else.